Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Montgomery County. Thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located over Royersford, or 14 miles north of West Chester, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Norristown, Phoenixville, West Norriton, East Norriton, Conshohocken, Collegeville, Royersford, Trapp, Plymouth Meeting, King of Prussia, Skippick, Bridgeport, Spring City, West Conshohocken, Eagleville, Evansburg, Springhouse, Trooper, Bluebell and Audubon. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester, and Montgomery. At 4 p.m., at the Lehigh Valley International Airport near Allentown.
73. 12 boat directions approaching 2.